Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to install Polaroid film into a Polaroid camera. So all you need is obviously Polaroid film. I don't know if you can see that. It is color 600 film. I don't know if you can see that. It says 8 instant photos. So this has 8 instant photos in it. And the camera we're going to use today is, I don't know if you can see that, a Polaroid Impulse. Polaroid Impulse. There you go. There it is. Okay. So all we need to do is open up the package. And then, wait. What is really in there? Oh, I see. So, yeah, just open up the package like so. And here's our cartridge. Love me tender. I don't know if you can see that. Funny. Anyway, so we now take the Impulse, and you see that's there, the little latch here opens up. Then we take the cartridge and just put it in, and then close. And then there's the, protective case for it. But now, we're ready to go and ready to shoot. So that's how you would load a Polaroid film into your Polaroid camera. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please hit that like button. If you're new here, please subscribe, and I'll have more videos like this for you guys soon. Thanks for watching.